Wake up, the sun's begun. Come along, farm animal fun. Open the gate, let's walk this way. The farm animals want to play. The cow goes moo, moo, moo. Can you moo like a cow too? The pig goes oink, 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 splashing in the mud by the pond. Wiggle like a little pig, stretch up tall and do a jig. Farm friends moving all around, listening to every sound. Farm animal fun, come everyone. The cow goes moo, the pig goes oink. Farm animal fun, sing and play. Let's learn animal sounds today. Moo, moo, oink, oink. Come and sing along today. The chicken goes cluck, 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 pecking around for a little luck. The horse goes neigh, 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 trotting through the field today. The sheep goes baa, baa, baa. Can you make that sound? Wiggle like a little pig, stretch up tall and do a jig. Farm friends moving all around, listening to every sound. Farm animal fun, come everyone. The chicken goes cluck, the horse goes neigh. Farm animal fun, sing and play. The sheep goes baa all day. Cluck, cluck, neigh, neigh, baa, baa. Come and sing along today. Can you moo? Moo. Can you oink? Oink. Can you cluck? Cluck. Can you neigh? Neigh. Can you baa? Baa. Let's make animal sounds today. Can you waddle like a duck? Waddle. Can you trot like a horse? Trot. Can you peck like a chicken? Peck, peck. Let's visit the farm once more. Farm animal fun, come everyone. Moo and oink and cluck away.